What's going on today, YouTube? It's me, Playsigns, back with another one. Now, we do have a monumental game to show you. Now, this is our 100th win. Now, usually I'm a grown man having to carry 3 other grown people on my back through verdonks to carry them to wins. But, you know, a lot of times they slow me down, so we just now got the 100th one. Well, anyway, let's try to get this video up to 20 likes. I really appreciate it and help out the team. And if you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel to help it grow and flourish. We'll see you over on Twitch at twitch.tv/playsigns and here on YouTube. Peace. Be kind to each other. Let's do this.
Where are we dropping?
We are going.
So there's shit. I marked a couple of scabbies, I don't know.
Let's go to Endo Round Array, probably.
Ever around Array?
That's what I'm thinking it's going to end. So actually, let's go over to Salt.
Scavenger contract located.
Okay.
First for me, because I need one more kill over there for my daily.
Okay, well, let's get you that. 100th win. Let's go.
Oh, come on. Really? I'm getting
Yes.
shot at. Somebody behind me. On the end of the warehouse. Caught me in between the silos.
No, marica, no lo puedo creer. Oh, Wall's coming to help.
I don't need your help, man!
I noticed.
That's the value of not rushing to finish someone.
I can't run if I have a giant RPD in my hands.
Guy just landed over here.
Tracking enemy.
Gonna go murder him. Oh, his buddy just did too.
I'm gonna run the other direction then. To the, here, next scabby box.
Hit.
Where are they?
Take it.
Still.
They're on top of the roof still.
Sustaining fire.
Okay, mommy. Ooh.
Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you. Gas is inbound.
They picked up the contract. On me.
Come on, kill him, kill him. Where are they?
I just had the one.
Okay, there are other guys coming.
Do you want me to come back towards you guys? Or
Yeah,
go
yeah,
to
you-
the last scabby?
Alright, I'm reloading.
Okay.
So
Where are they
here.
at? There's another one dropping. Watched one
He's gotta
drop
be
in.
right on us. I mean, threat meters.
I think he's on.
Oh, he's
Yep,
below
he's
the
in
bridge.
the center. Yep. Give me a... Fuck, he's right here! I was chasing him the whole time thinking it was you.
Win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
Really?
Mark your shit, Joey, so you know where you're on.
Come back. Alright.
Alright.
That dude's in a car. There's more cars driving.
So you went.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Alright, let's go here. Yeah, that guy's gonna get his stuff done. I don't get Ghost my first loadout. I get it my second.
Okay.
Alright. That better.
Yeah. One box, only ours. Second bullfrog here if anyone wants it.
Marking AR.
I think I'm gonna stay off the sniper this time.
Sweet. We got a heli over here that's usually not there. Guns up. Eyes open.
Do you get Tasia?
They have to be over at
Do you get Tasia?
bunker over here.
Just saw a person moving.
Okay. Yep.
Marking waypoint 1.
I see him.
Got contact.
Broke him. He's right up the hill.
Nothing
Here.
on heartbeat.
Now I want to recon drone it. Let's see here. Okay, protect me real fast. Recon drone. Okay. We got two guys in this yellow house.
Target appears hostile.
One's on this window. Boom. Don't rush. Don't
They
rush.
have a helicopter.
Yeah, don't.
One's broke.
I have power stopping rounds.
Down.
Friends up there.
Hold on.
Sending thermite.
Downed him again.
Alright, Overwatch is
Landing with
landed.
thermite.
Oh, come on. Shoot, kill him, kill him, kill him. Right there. Damn it.
Team wipe.
Oh, fudge. Can you buy me back?
This probably will go to lumber.
Well, actually, yeah, lumber would be good. Let's get the helicopter. I'm gonna just drop and get my loadie and run over there to you guys. Let's do this. Coming to y'all. Okay. We're actually maybe good right now for the next circle. We just need to protect that heli. But we also should get pushed by the buy station, so...
We got plenty of armor plates.
We have not, Mad Dog. We have not gotten to 100 wins yet.
45 left.
Oh,
Guys
shit.
coming in, guys
How did
coming
you
in.
drop those?
Oh,
by
he
heli.
just... Yeah. So I said protect it. Hit him.
We got a guy in a cargo truck up on the hill.
Yeah, because we needed that heli to really effectively... Oh, yeah, see? That buy station. We needed to get back up
the
there.
buy station. You wanna go?
We need to go anyway, because people are going to run there. Yep, they're circling back.
Don't get run over.
Sending thermite. Target appears hostile.
Shab could have guys running behind us.
How did you lose a way on?
Here, yo, give me your money,
UAV
guys.
overhead.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
Yep, I knew it. Oh, behind us, behind us, behind us, behind us.
You get him?
I got one. Down the other.
Fuck.
America.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, don't go
Hostile contact.
Fighting's done. The area
here. I'm gonna try to get here.
We gonna land on Lodi?
I'm gonna try.
Shit.
Above me. Shit.
I missed it.
safe zone relocated.
There's at least one on me.
Watch out. Is there anyone
Somebody
upstairs?
upstairs, I think. Think so. There's a...
I broke one. They're coming for me. Yep, they're on me.
Fuck.
Near
Oh,
me.
watch out. He's gonna rush.
Two.
Where's he at?
He's in the other house.
Alright, they just armored up. They're pushing to you.
So I'm gonna try to jump roof to get to this Lodi.
Yeah, try it.
We have to get to the safe zone.
Got it.
Keep the pressure on.
Watch out.
Man, you need some ammo.
I knew it was gonna happen.
What?
The last one on your team. Finish the job.
Okay,
7
complete
enemies.
silence. Which door is gonna come through? Please move my way.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Damn it.
Gas is moving. That's a win. Proper
That's a win! Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, that is the 100th win! Woo! Oh. 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 We clutched the fuck up.
Yeah, we did.
Let's go. GG's, guys. Just got me my 100th win.
Good shit.
Yeah, a little eight kill banger. Oh, feels good. Barracks Records wins 100